Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy muffins for toddlers. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees F and lining a muffin tin. Mash ripe banana and whisk with an egg and plain Greek yogurt until smooth. Stir in oats, whole grain flour, a little baking powder, and cinnamon, then fold in berries or grated carrot. Spoon batter into cups and bake 15 to 18 minutes until set and lightly golden. In this video, I will show how to make healthy muffins for toddlers. Measure ingredients precisely and keep batter slightly lumpy to avoid dense muffins. Choose ripe fruit for natural sweetness and drain excess moisture when adding grated veggies. Add a small amount of nut butter or a chia egg for extra protein and binding. Bake in a preheated oven and cool muffins on a rack before serving to little hands. In this video, I will show how to make healthy muffins for toddlers. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth is a surprisingly helpful read when planning family goals and budgeting for groceries, and it made meal planning feel smarter and less stressful. If you like practical advice, consider checking the description for the link and other deals, and please subscribe and like if this was helpful. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make healthy muffins for toddlers. Use mini muffin tins for appropriately sized servings and store extras in the fridge for up to 3 days. Always let muffins cool completely and slice or crumble for younger toddlers to reduce choking risk. Label containers with the date and reheat briefly to soften when needed. Rotate fillings to introduce new flavors and monitor for allergies when trying new ingredients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.